Tired of noisy video calls and unclear presentation? There is a better way to make every moment clear.
Hi, Danny.
Introducing OBSBOT Tiny 3, an AI-powered spatial audio 4K PTZ webcam that sets a new standard for the industry. Tiny in size, titanic in performance. Let's start with the image. Beyond stunning 4K clarity, Tiny 3's advanced HDR balances exposure naturally in any light. Voice tracking follows you smoothly, while AI maintains perfect framing. When only me mode is enabled, the camera stays locked on you, ignoring anyone else who walks into the frame. AI noise reduction keeps your voice clear in any environment.
Today we're going to make a small ornament.
With movement and noise handled, Tiny 3 delivers more precise focus in daylight and faster, more stable focus in low light. In addition to better video, Tiny 3 elevates your audio experience with effortless setup.
The hardest part for me is always starting.
I totally get that.
Choose from exclusive smart audio modes to fit diverse needs in any scenario. With Spatial Audio Mode, hear the difference in voice direction and distance.
I've been trying to read extra books lately.
Really? How does it feel?
With RTC Remote Interaction, Tiny 3 breaks distance limits, giving you control whenever and wherever you are. Every sound and frame now comes through clearer. The Smart Remote lets you control the gimbal and switch preset positions with a single tap. With OBSBOT Center, customize your look and scene to fit various needs. Instantly change your surroundings using background replacement. Being Virtual Avatar with Tiny 3.
Let's go virtual now. Check out my new look.
Choose your character and voice in any scene with no extra motion capture gear required. Back in the real world, more professional image tools are ready for use. Your Tiny 3 in any scene and from any perspective. OBSBOT Tiny 3. Tiny Titan. Giant possibilities.